Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Women. Today we will talk about beautiful crochet cushion cover designs and ideas. Cushion covers are a simple way to decorate your home. They make your sofa, bed or chair look more stylish and cozy. The best part is you can make them in your favorite colors and designs. Let's start with the first idea, the classic granny square cushion covers. This design is very popular and perfect for beginners. You just make small granny squares and join them together. You can use bright colors for a fun look or soft colors for a calm and elegant style. The second idea is a simple one color cushion cover. This is perfect if you like a clean and modern look. You can use basic stitches like single crochet or double crochet. Add a little border to make it look more neat and beautiful. Next, we have textured cushion covers. These designs use different stitches to create patterns that you can feel with your hands. For example, double stitch or satin stitch. These covers look very rich and stylish. If you use just one color, even lovely idea is a boho style cushion covers. You can add tassels, strings or even small pom-pom on the corners. These little details make your cushion look trendy and unique. You can also try floral crochet cushion covers. Flowers always look beautiful. You can crochet small flowers and attach them. Can create crochet cushion covers. These are perfect for spring and summer decoration. If you like something quick and easy, try a strip cushion covers. Just change yarn colors after a few on. This is a simple way to recreate a colorful and attractive design without much effort. Now let's talk about yarn. You can use cotton yarn for a soft and neat look, or always choose colors that match your room decoration. Also, don't forget about the colors. Crochet cushion covers are not only beautiful but also a great handmade gift idea. You can make them for your friends and family and they will love it. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.